Hello, everyone. This is Jim Krasinski with your weekly screencast video. So it is week 4. The semester is moving along. This week, we're going to begin using the textbook, the Curious Researcher Ninth edition. It should have been noted at the bookstore that this was a requirement. I believe my opening announcement introduced this textbook as a required and important resource. Many, as I say here, many of our discussion board activities will be exercises taken from the textbook, so you will need to read the textbook, look at the exercises in order to complete the discussion boards. Also, there will be many discussion boards, not many, but maybe a few that will be like reading checks because there is a significant amount of resources and strategies on how to write the research paper, how to do research, how to use and cite sources, how to think through writing about your source information as we move forward toward the research essay. So this particular week, we are working in the introduction, many good sections in the introduction there to fill in and help out with the notion of writing research essays. I think exercise number 2 on page 12, if my memory serves me correctly, there is a reading there, the theories of intelligence. Now, if you haven't gotten a book, you're getting a freebie on this week's activity. Excuse me, I have uploaded a copy of, it's a rather crude PDF copy of the reading that I've had throughout the years. Let me get to 4 and 5, brainstorming topics. You will find it here in the readings and resources tab. Here's a copy PDF version of Theories of Intelligence. And then if you get to discussion board number 5 about this particular essay, you will find a PDF here. All right. Basically, this is exercise 2, and I want to get your input on theories of intelligence. So this starts the discussion on what exactly might be a research essay and what might not be a research essay, and then where we might be going for the rest of the semester. So this week it's just discussion board 5. I'm sure everybody is going to be recovering from the AI essay. So this particular first post is not due until Friday, I believe. Yes, the 20th, Friday, and then responses on Sunday. And then we move into discussion board 6, which is brainstorming topic. And then we'll work towards the topic proposal where you will write your research proposal on what you'll be working with for the rest of the semester. So this is what we're working on for the next 2 weeks. Like I said, discussion board 5 is the Theories of Intelligence post. And also, you do need to have that textbook. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email.